Good morning, guys. It's me, Miss Strickland, here for reading this morning. Um, Today we're going to talk about author's purpose. And a purpose is just a reason. So we're going to look into our text to figure out why the author chose to write this, what they're trying to teach us, and why it was important for them to tell us this information. This is a little different than our character series information we've been working. We're going to move in to nonfiction today. So, for author's purpose, we want to know why the author wrote the story or the information. So, sometimes they write to answer a question, sometimes they write to explain, or even to describe. So, to answer a question, usually you're going to find a question in the passage, and then the answers are also going to be found in the passage. To explain, the author is going to teach or tell us information to explain how something works or why something happens. And last, to describe, it's going to tell us how something or someone looks. It uses adjectives like strong or large, small, things that describe. And then they're going to help us paint a picture in our mind of what we are reading about. So before we get started, I want you guys to take your notebook and just make this T-chart. So I'm going to put mine there we go. I wrote topic, what does the author tell, and then why did they write it? And this is going to be how we record our information as we read today. So just like the one that you see on your screen right now, what is the topic? What does the author tell us about the topic? And then why did the author write it? So right now, you'll pause my video. If you click right in the middle, it'll pause me and I'll be stuck like this. And then you can make your table that we're going to use today. Now, if you don't pause me, I'm going to keep teaching. So make sure you push pause and then come back to me when you're ready. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the book that I was using. I've been reading this fabulous book on Epic, by the way. If you're in my class and you have not gotten on Epic, getepic.com. Have mom or dad check their emails. I sent them some login information. So I've been reading about sea turtles. You guys know those are one of my favorite animals. And as I was reading about what they eat and things like that on this page, I came across this information that talked about, over here on this page, jellyfish are a favorite food for sea turtles. But plastic trash can look like jellyfish in the ocean, and that spells trouble. Swallowing trash can hurt and even kill sea turtles. Well, I think that's really important. There's a reason that the author wrote that information for me as a reader. So my topic is going to be, what's my story about? Sea turtles. So my topic is going to be sea turtles. I'm going to write that in. So remember, as you do yours, you might want to pause me to record some of this to help you remember when you're ready to do your own during your other work. Okay, so my topic, if you can see, I wrote sea turtles. Next, what does the author tell you? Well, the author says that trash can hurt or kill sea turtles. So I'm going to write that. Trash can hurt or kill sea turtles. Well, you know me, I'm an animal lover, and especially these sweet little sea turtles. Why would the author tell me that trash can hurt or kill sea turtles? I'm going to have to keep reading to find out. So as I go to the next page, the heading says danger. So trash isn't the only danger to sea turtles. Fishing nets and hungry animals can harm them too. Wait a minute, I'm going to go back. So if there's things that are harmful to sea turtles, why would the author tell me about all these things that are harmful to sea turtles? I bet they want me to learn something. They want me to know information. Well, trash can hurt or kill sea turtles. And also, they said that fishing nets can hurt them. I'm going to record that too. I think it's telling me what I can do to keep sea turtles safe. I'm going to turn this page. All right, and it says trash isn't the only danger, fishing nets. Okay, why did they write it? The author wrote this text because they want me to do my part to keep sea turtles safe. No, trash on the beach, I can keep my trash. That's one thing I can do. And I can be careful that if I'm fishing, I'm be sure to let the sea turtles out of my net. That's wonderful.